Oh, the sun hitting on this one. Listening to Tory Lane as this shit heat. Unlock feature right here. In case you guys want to bring the doors all the way to the back. Check out all the seats in here, cuz. There you are. Out the detail shop. 129,996 miles. It's got rear AC and heating. Upper storage right here. Passenger van right here. Got 11 seats. There you are. There's the vents. Features windows on both sides, door handle on one side. Let's go ahead and start this baby up. There we go. Only light that's on is a tire pressure light. Got that backup camera. There we go. Drives around. There we are.